Get your bags. I don't mean to be mean, but we can't sleep here.
Gotta keep that hope for tomorrow, with my dignity inside. What's mine is yours tomorrow. Together we touch the sky. The struggle is over.
I can see it in your eyes.
The future is open, and I'm rolling, rolling, rolling. Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk.
Hopeful eyes searching, restless arms reaching. Our battles going down, with chaos all around. And the mother reassures herself everything will be alright as she steps in rhythm to the sounds of the sidewalk.
Listen to the sounds of the sidewalk.